you go. Get your arm bar. Nice. Work him, work him, work him. He's got him. Tip him over. You got it. Look up. Look up, enjoy it. Look up and enjoy it. Oh, crank it again. Yeah, I texted him too, just give him a heads up. All right, bud. Push him out. Smart. Smart. There you go. He's going to give it to you. He's going to give it. Just be patient. He'll give you the half. Get the arm bar, and he'll give you the half. It's coming. He's got to work. He's got to work. There you go. Run the arm bar. There you go. Double chicken wing. Nice. Nice. There you go, buddy. Nicely done. There you go. Sit in. You got it. Just hang on. All right. Good job. Keep getting your points. There you go. It's coming. There you go. Nicely done. Good job, buddy. Waste the crap out of him. Get your points again. He's going to give it to you. We'll work it. She got something. I'll give you that half. That half's coming. Yep. Force it. There you go. Crank. Yep. Keep cranking it. There you go. You got it. There you go. Settle back. Get your 3. Get it. Get your 6. Nicely done.